Hi, this is Chef Alan with Global Sugar Art with a brand new product on the market from Roxy Rich out of Canada. This is their chocolate cake drip and it's absolutely fantastic. The dark chocolate and the milk chocolate have the cocoa butter and cocoa solids in them. The remaining of the flavors have cocoa butter and are actually sweetened with maple syrup as well as other products in them. They're easy to use, 30 seconds in the microwave and you're ready to go. So I'm going to show you how easy this product is to use. You first want to remove the cap and there'll be a seal on the inside, and remove that. Then just put the cap back on and high power in the microwave for 30 seconds. No more, no less, just 30 seconds at high power. So let's get going. Okay, so I've heated it for 30 seconds. Make sure the cap is tight. And now you're just going to shake it gently for about 1 minute. And you'll feel it sort of liquefy in there. It'll feel like it's loosening up. You don't want to overheat this product, so it's important just to do the 30 seconds. Now, the cake itself can be chilled or not chilled. If you don't chill the buttercream icing on the cake, the drips may go down further than you want. So if you want to control how far the drips go down, chill the cake for about 1 hour prior to adding the drip. Okay, I've given this a good shake, and now I'm going to do the top of the cake first. I'm just putting a thin coat on the top. And I'll use a little spatula and just bring it right to the edge. Whoops. There. And you notice it'll stay right in place. Now when you're ready to start the drip, you're just going to go right to the edge, and it's better to put less than more. Start with a little bit less than you think you're going to need, and then you'll start to see it drip down, and then you can add like a little bit, just a little dollop, and you'll start to see it drip down. There. And after you've gone all the way around the cake, take a look at what you've done. And if you want to go in between and do a little bit heavier drip, it'll go down a little bit further. And one of the things that I really like about this product, let's say I want to take this drip right here and I want to make it longer. If I just go at the top and put another little bit, it'll follow that drip right down, and it should make this longer. And indeed it is. So it'll extend it. So if you want to sort of control how high each drip is, you can do that with this product. It's really an amazing product, and it tastes great as well. Okay, I think we're about right where I want this. That looks good. Do a few more in the back. Now that you've finished this, if you want to decorate it more, I suggest you put it in the refrigerator for at least a half hour and let that chocolate firm up. And then you're ready to decorate the cake. But for the video, I'm just going to go ahead and decorate it right away. I'm just using some buttercream. Definitely, if you wanted to place flowers on here or something more complicated, you would definitely want to harden this up first. And I've got some cookies. Things that look great on the chocolate cake are like truffles, different kinds of chocolate bars, but just plain old Oreo cookies or any other kind of cookie that you like will work. And that's how easy it is to create a chocolate drip cake with some chocolate icing, a cake, and some cookies. Again, this is the Roxy Rich chocolate cake drip. It comes in 14 different colors. 12 of them, all of the colored ones, have maple syrup in them. It's pure Canadian maple syrup. This product is made only 60 miles from where I live. It's absolutely fantastic. Please give it a try. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have a great day.